Hey everyone, it's Luran here, the Engineer Trader, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I want to cover the cup and handle pattern. Lately I've been getting a lot of questions about doing a video about different chart patterns that I use to trade the stock market. So in today's video I'll be looking at the cup and handle pattern. In this video I'll be showing you guys the basic rules that you need to follow if you want to trade the cup and handle pattern. I'll also give you guys a couple of examples that occurred, one of them this year on Moderna, where you could have made a ridiculous amount of money if you traded this pattern. Now, this video will help you to identify the cup and handle pattern early, so that way you can put it in your watch list and you can trade it as the pattern develops and completes and ready for the breakout. So before we jump into it, guys, all I ask in return is that you guys smash that like button. It helps with the algorithm, it helps the channel to grow, and that's the only way I can continue to bring you guys premium quality content. Also, for those of you who are new to the channel, please remember to subscribe. So let's jump right into it, guys. Hopefully you can see my screen clearly. So the first example I have here, guys, is Moderna. And as you guys can see here, back in February of this year, February 8th, the cup and handle pattern started. But before I get into that, let me give you guys the quick rules about the cup and handle. So the cup and handle pattern, guys, usually the cup, which is the bigger part of the pattern, occurs within 3 to 6 months. So you want to see a pattern developing within 3 to 6 months. You want to have that nice arch. You can have like a U formation, or you can have like a V, more sharper formation. So that's the cup, the body of the cup. Now the handle of the cup, usually you want to see 1 to 4 weeks, the handle forming within 1 to 4 weeks. And the retracement of the handle, you don't want it to be greater than 50% of the overall depth of the cup. So whatever is the depth of this cup from the top to the bottom here, guys, you want to make sure that the handle isn't coming more than 50% lower. If it's more than 50% lower into the body of this cup, then that's a breakdown in the pattern. So as you can see here with Moderna, we had this pattern develop. Let's look here. We had 84 days. So that's close to 3 months where the cup got formed. And then we had the handle form within a month there. The handle got formed. Now, what you want to do when the cup, the body of the cup, and then the handle is formed, you want to draw a line at the top, which would be like that resistance line. So we tested once, tested twice, and then you can see here the stock broke out. For me, I don't usually buy as soon as the stock breaks out. I like to wait for a retracement, because I've done studies and I've seen over 70% of stocks that have a cup and handle sometimes come back, test this resistance line, which is now support, and then the stock moves higher. So when the stock comes back down and tests 1 day, 2 day, this is the perfect time to enter. So this would have been the 17th of June. I did trade this stock, by the way. So you want to enter right here. And if you buy stocks, let's show you guys the profit target you could have made here. Look. 148% Moderna made. Now this stock had a major catalyst. It got included in the S&P 500. I think it was back on the 20th of July of this year. So that was a major catalyst that was pushing this one up. And that information was public information. So if you knew that, we have a cup and handle, which is a bullish pattern. We had the S&P 500 inclusion news, which was all over social media. So right here you get in and you wait. Because once these stocks are included in the S&P 500 index, these money managers, they're obligated to purchase tons of stocks, of shares of this company. So that's what you see, the big explosion to the upside as well. So that's the perfect example I wanted to show you guys for the cup and handle pattern. The next example we had here, guys, it's on Ultra Beauty. So this was back in like this year as well. I can see massive arch, handle, breakout, pullback. So you see what I told you guys just now. We just look at the Moderna example. The stock broke out, came back down, tested the new support. This was resistance previously, right? Now it's support. And then the stock ripped to the upside. Now, the end of August into September of this year, you guys know the market has been pulling back or crashing, whatever you want to call it. So that impacted how well this stock performed on the breakout of the cup and handle. But as you can see here, you still had a decent, push up, 15% gain to the upside, and the stock is still consolidating here. If it breaks down here, you want to get out. But if you're still in your position, if you took this, I didn't trade this one in particular because it was close to earnings and the premiums are very high, because I usually trade options a lot. So as you can see here, it's still a good time if you want to enter, because this stock is still bullish. So if the overall market becomes bullish again, you can see this one continuing to run. So that wraps this video up, guys. I wanted to do a quick video to show you guys the cup and handle pattern. What I did in this video, I give you guys the rules that you need to follow for the cup and handle pattern. I show you guys your target. I show you when to enter. I show you the duration of the body of the cup, the duration of the handle of the cup, the depth of the cup in terms of the retracement, and also show you the profit potential. You want to, these stocks, when they have catalysts behind them and you have this cup and handle pattern, guys, the upside is ridiculous. So that wraps this video up, guys. Again, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, smash that like button so we can help the channel to grow, we can help with the algorithm. So that ends this one, guys. So see you in the next one.